What is up, YouTube? Today we're gonna go over two trades I could have taken but didn't take today. It was actually a really good trading day, but I missed this one. It was before market open, but if I had seen it, I would have taken it. I would have taken a short. We'll talk about it, and then around like what is it, 10, almost 10:30. There's another good entry for a long, so we'll talk about it. Whatever. Don't really. It would have been nice to have traded, but it's fine. It is what it is. But all right, right here I have marked out a 5-minute fair value gap that had got inversed, and which sent an inverse fair value gap is also like basically a break of structure. So it inversed up here and then shot down. It also tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap. So that would have been enough for me to trade. And then I would have marked out like previous levels of liquidity. I had to scale to the 5-minute to find some, just because it didn't go as far back on the 1-minute, but we'll scale up to the 5-minute. But yeah, just like areas over here. And then for the other trade that I should have taken, but I was low-key getting ready for class, so I wasn't really looking at the market as much as I should have. But next time, trading will be like come before class, most definitely. But once again, we had a 15-minute fair value gap here and a 5-minute inverse fair value gap. And sorry, 5-minute fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap, and then you can see price enters into the 15-minute, and then also inverses in this 5-minute, which sends price up. So I would have taken that long, and then once again marked out a previous level. I think I might have had to scale up to the 5 on this one too, but we'll look. No, but yeah, would have targeted these highs over here from last week Thursday, and those were like the only two optimal trades that I looked at or like seen. After that, the whole market's just been kind of choppy and not as good. So I'm fine with today. It's been a good day, so can't complain. But tomorrow, I think there's news tomorrow. Yeah, 8:30 news. So we'll wait. Oh, there's a lot of news. Oh, okay. So we got red folder news at 8:30, unemployment claims, and final GDP QQ. So we'll definitely wait on those. And then we also have these three orange folder news. So it's gonna be an interesting one. And then more orange folder news at 10. This yellow folder news won't do much. But we'll just have to watch the market tomorrow morning and see how these news or this news impacts it. See how price is affected by it, and just go from there. So I don't know if I'll trade. I highly doubt it, but there's always a chance. If I get a good setup, then I get a good setup. So sorry. But yeah, if I do get a good setup, I would probably wait till at least 10 but even then there's news, just because market actually opens at 9:30. So we'll see. Tomorrow's just gonna be play by play, I guess, and just gotta figure it out in the moment. But I'll be right back. I'm gonna find a verse or a quote or something, and I'll be back for that. All right, we're gonna do a quote today. It's from Roy T. Bennett. It's, "Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart." I think that one's pretty self-explanatory, but just follow your dreams, keep chasing them, and just keep working for what you want. I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll talk about what happened in the market, if I trade, if I don't. But I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys have a great day and keep grinding. Peace.